Hey guys, let's understand this very basic problem on the surface area of a sphere. So this problem says, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 14 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So in the case of 14 centimeter, you know that diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius will be half of this, which means it will be 7 centimeter. Now you know that the surface area of a sphere is surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square, and in this formula you know that only r is the parameter and you know the value of r, which is 7 centimeter. So let's put this value here and get the value for the surface area of a sphere. You can write r as 7 into 7 because here the power of r is 2. 7 and 7 will get cancelled out, and on evaluation you will be getting 616 centimeter square as the surface area of this sphere. But in this second part, where the diameter is 3.5 centimeter, so radius will be half of this, which means it will be 3.5 divided by 2. Now let's apply the formula for surface area. Surface area of a sphere. And you know that this is 4 pi r square. In this expression, you do know the value of r. Let's put that value here. 4, you can replace the value of pi with the value of 22 by 7. You can write r as 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. On cancellation, you will be getting this. Now when you evaluate this, you will get 38.5 centimeter square as the surface area of the sphere in the case of the diameter, where diameter is 3.5 centimeter. So I really hope there should be no issue here. I will be taking more complex problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.